It's that time of year again, the holidays are upon us, and in this video, I'm gonna be going over some of the Black Friday deals on my channel. Now, when it comes to the merch shelf, you'll notice that you can get up to 30% off any merchandise. And if you're shopping for a video editor, this makes a really good holiday gift. In addition to that, I'm running a sale on my Patreon page where you can get up to 50% off the Mogurts and different templates that are for sale. You can use the promo code JTVG50 at checkout to receive 50% off your order. So for the rest of this video, I'm going to be showing you some of the pretty cool templates that you can get up to 50% off. All right, let's dive in. So the first one is the reactive lower third. This is a really cool template that you can get that I designed for Premiere Pro. It's a Mogurt file, so you would just install it inside Essential Graphics. And what's really powerful about it is that it reacts to the text that you type in. So most graphic templates that you get from different stock websites, they don't react to the actual text. Let me show you what I mean. If we go into the name bar control setting and I change my name to something shorter, you'll notice that the text updates, which is really nice. So no matter how long or short your text is, the lower third will react to it. You have a lot of different controls that you can change the color. I won't go into too much of it, but there's a lot of customization when it comes to this lower third. For example, say if you didn't want it to skew, you can just change this value down to 0. You can see we have just a rectangle. If you wanted it to be round instead of a rectangle, you can change up the roundness a little bit. So you can make it a round lower third like that. You can also take off the stroke as well if you didn't want a stroke. And you also have offset paths. So if you want more padding around your text, you can increase this value. So as you can see, there's a lot of different things you can play with to really customize this lower third. And right now it's going on my website for $29, but once again, you can get 50% off. So go grab that if you're interested. Now, another template that's similar to this is my text message bubble animation inside Premiere Pro. This is similar. This is another Mogurt pack that you can get to create different text message effects. And the same thing applies. You can install it as a Mogurt file and you can change out the text so that the text updates to the length of the message. So that's really helpful, especially if you're working with a lot of text messages inside Premiere Pro. This is an easy way that you can add a lot of different text message bubbles. Now, one of my favorite templates that I designed over the last few years is the Polaroid slideshow template for After Effects. And especially with the holidays coming around, this is a nice template to use for family slideshows. So let me show you how it works. It can hold up to 100 photos, which is really nice. So you can open it inside Adobe After Effects. This is what you see once you open it. You'll see the finished slideshow with all the different scenes in it. You can click play to preview it. It has all these placeholders, so you can go through and replace the photos, which is really easy. I'll show you how to do that. So to replace the photos, you can go into the scenes, or say if you're on a scene that you want to replace a photo of, you can just click on the layer, double click to go into that scene. You can see the different photos right here that are inside that scene. So for example, if I wanted to update the photo in the center one, I can double click on photo number 4 here, import my photo that I want to use, and simply click and drag it underneath the white border to put it inside here. As you can see, I can just click and rearrange my photo, get it looking nice. And then once we go back out to the original, you can see that we have our added photo in here. You can do this for all your photos in your project. A lot of these templates help you save a lot of time, so be sure to get it if you're interested. The sale runs through December 2nd. You can get up to 50% off anything on my Patreon shop. But that does it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy the templates that are on sale, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.